How to pay MetroPCS. Bill online. Open your web browser and go to the official Metro by T-Mobile website and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Click on the Pay or make a payment option on the homepage to access the billing section. Enter your Metro phone number in the required field to identify your account and proceed. Verify your phone number if the system sends a confirmation code to ensure it is really you. Sign into your Metro account dashboard using your account credentials if prompted by the system. Check your current bill amount and due date carefully so you know how much to pay. Select the option to continue with payment and choose your preferred payment method, such as debit or credit card. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip code accurately. Type the payment amount you want to pay, review all the details, and confirm to submit the payment. Wait for the payment to process, then save or take a screenshot of the confirmation message for your records. Thank you for watching.